Hey everybody, before we get to the Dollar Tree haul, I want to show y'all what this nice company called Tisscare, you can see right here, sent me. I had said in one of my videos about I was having some neck pain and stiff neck and stiff back and everything. I guess I might have bent too much or twisted my neck somehow or another. And anyway, they contacted me and asked me could they send this neck massager for me to try out, and I said yeah, sure, I'll try it because my neck was killing me. I'm still having some trouble with it. I sit at a desk all day and I kind of get sit and tense, and I can feel myself tensing up and it just makes my neck work. But anyway, we're going to unbox this. Okay, this is a shiatsu neck and shoulder massager with heating and speed adjustment. So it comes with a little pamphlet, and it has a car adapter and a plug, and we're going to try this out, and I'll give y'all an update and let y'all know how I liked it, or did it work, or what have you. And I'll put a link to this. They sell their stuff on Amazon, and they said there's several different ways you can use this thing, and you can put it around your neck like this and pull down on it. But anyway, I'll give a more in-depth review of it after I've used it a little bit. But let's see what else. Let me show you some of the stuff on the picture on the box. Oh, here we go. On the end here, it shows you the different ways you can use it. But anyway, I'm going to put a link to that down in the description box, and y'all can check it out if you're interested. And I'm going to use it in maybe a week or so. I'll put up a review for it. But anyway, stay tuned for my Dollar Tree haul. Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. And my little friend here, this is Miss Pokey. This is my son's little dog, and she is a rescue. We got her from our local SPCA. So if you want a pet, the best ones in the world can be found at your local shelter or SPCA or rescue group. So we say everybody can say hi. Are you grumpy? You're a grumpy baby? Yes, Mama Lord. But anyway, let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. Okay, the first thing I have is some more of this Pinal, I don't know what it's called, but Max aromas. The let's see if I can get it to focus in on it. No, there we go. They're 33% more free. This stuff smells really, really good. So I picked some of that up, and I got some of the LA's Totally Awesome bleach, the lemon scent. My camera doesn't want to focus, so. This is great, and bleach has been kind of hard for us to find around in my little town, but I have been able to pick up some every now and then. Every time I see some in Dollar Tree or Dollar General or somewhere like that, I pick it up because I can never find it in Walmart. When I do venture into Walmart, I'm trying to stay out of there. There's a little too many people for me right now. And then I picked up a couple of the hefty storage slider bags. You get 8 of the slider bags in there. This is the quart size, and then I got the gallon size also. Those are great to have. And I found the coolest patriotic or 4th of July flowers. Aren't they so pretty? So I picked up, and they only had one little bunch of them, so I bought the one bunch, and then I just got some red, white, and blue ones. The carnations, and then the daisies to kind of go, so that I can make an arrangement and kind of use those for the accent. But those were really cute. And I picked up some more of the Foppers dog treats. These are made in the United States, sourced and processed entirely in the United States. Got these for my pups. I tried to avoid the dog treats from out of the country because you don't know what they may or may not have put in them. Then I got this cute little floating shelves. They're 8.6 by 4 inches, and they can hold up to 5 pounds. So I think I got 3 of these, or I might only get 2. But I thought these were really cute, so I picked those up. And I picked up a little set of dishes. I got the plates and bowls to use for the summer. They're so pretty. Isn't that design so pretty? But I got 4 of those. And then they had glasses to match and things, but I have an abundance of glasses, so I didn't get any. And then I got the matching bowls to go along with it. So you can't beat that. $8 for 4 plates and 4 bowls. And I found a few more pieces of fabric. I got the, this is so cute, little paw prints. It's Puppy Love. And this single fat quarters. Doesn't say what brand it is, but it's 18 inches by 21 inches, 100% cotton. So I'm still making masks, so I thought those would be cute. Make some little masks, cute kids mask, maybe. And I picked up some Crest Fluoride anti-cavity toothpaste, baking soda and peroxide. It's the 2.4 ounce. That's a good name brand toothpaste. And I picked up this portable light bulb, LED. Got a little strap on it. It takes a AAA battery. These are great. I use these in my closet because it's so dark in the closet. You know, when you open it up, and it has an overhead light in it, but I'm so short that, and it has a pull string on it, and every time I tippy toe and pull the string, somehow it flies back up and gets caught up in the light. Anyway, it's just, this is great, and it's actually more light than the little light bulb. And then I picked up this Maxi Thins Feminine Cleansing Cloths compared to Summer Eve cloths. Yeah, it's got 32 in there. I got these for Mom. You know, she's kind of bedridden now, and it's kind of tough sometimes trying to keep her clean and happy. So I thought that might help. Then I found this really cool e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Stippling brush. Can't talk today. That was a good buy for $1, so I picked that up. And y'all, these are the best little not shoes, these are socks. Like little hose socks. This is the Essie brand, Essie Legwear. Microfiber non-slip gel tab in the back. Has a little gel tab in the back on the heel to keep it from sliding. And it's infused with aloe vera, but these are great and they wear good, especially if you're wearing like low top tennis shoes and you don't really want the socks to show or anything. So these are great. So I picked up 3 pairs of those. And they go in, like, if you got little ballet flats on, those are great with those too. And this was a small haul, y'all, but I do have some stuff at the end to talk about. There's another one of those little portable light bulbs I got. And I found the Hard Candy Felt Tip Eyeliner. I believe this is in India, in the navy, so it's a blue color. But that was really cool for $1, so I picked that up. And then I got one food item. I picked up this Goya powdered chicken flavor bouillon. It has no carbs in it, and this is great if you're going to boil chicken. Put this in there instead of just boiling it in water, and it adds a lot of flavor to it. So, and I must have been hungry. Picked up a little snack. I got the Jack Link's original beef and cheese stick, and I think this has like 1 carb in it or 2 carbs. That's a great little snack to pick up, keep me from getting a bag of chips or something. So y'all, I've been stress and everything that's going on in my life, in the world in general, it just seems like I can't, the craving for carbs has been really bad lately, so I'm trying to stay on track. So, but this will, you know, having a low carb, no carb snack readily available, and low carb, no carb food already ready and prepared, that's a good thing. Stay prepared, and then you don't end up eating a burger from McDonald's or something. But anyway, I got that. Okay, y'all, that was a quick little Dollar Tree haul, but my favorite thing was the red, white, and blue flowers. I thought those were so cool. Hopefully I might be able to find 1 or 2 more bunches, but if I don't, I'll make this work in a craft somehow. But anyway, y'all get out there, go shopping. Remember, if Sissy can do it, y'all can do it too. Bye-bye. Oh, you want your little Dollar Tree cookies? Come on. Where's that other bag? Oh, Rose. Come over here, Pokey. Sit. Everybody sit. Good babies. One for Poke. One for Dot. Uh-oh, Dots. One for Dumpy. Mr. Peanut. Here we go. Poke. Dump. Dot, you want another one, baby girl? Mr. Peanut wants another one, Mama. There you go. And Dot. Oh, you missed it. Oh. Dumpy, that piggy girl got it. Yeah. All right, that's it. That's enough cookies. Everybody be good babies.